Linking your bank account to Shopify is essential for receiving payments from your online store. Follow these steps to set up your bank account successfully. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify admin panel by entering your credentials on the Shopify website. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. In the admin panel, click on Settings located at the bottom left corner. From the Settings menu, select Payments to access your payment options. Step 3. Choose a payment provider. Under the Payments section, you will see various payment providers. Select the one you plan to use, such as Shopify Payments or a third-party provider. Click on Manage or Set Up next to your chosen provider. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with payment processing. Step 5. Save changes and verify. Once you have entered your bank account information, click Save to apply the changes. You may need to verify your bank account through a small deposit or confirmation process, depending on the payment provider. After completing these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Shopify store, allowing you to receive payments seamlessly. If you encounter any issues, consult Shopify's support resources for further assistance.